Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about what else we offer. Yesterday I watched a rather terrifying video interview with a British environmentalist and activist called George Monbiot. He's someone I always love listening to and someone who always comes across as being super smart. In this video he was basically talking about how meat is the new oil. And I have to say, it made me quite relieved that I've gone veggie. I went veggie around the time I turned 50 and haven't eaten meat or fish since. One of the terrifying pieces of information, terrifying statistics that he included in this interview was the fact that 75% of all the antibiotics we use are used on factory farmed animals, basically to keep them well enough in the inhumane conditions in which they're kept for us to then be able to eat. And as we eat them, of course, we're absorbing all of those antibiotics into our own bodies. And this increases the likelihood of bacteria developing that are resistant to all known antibiotics. And obviously, once this happens, it'll be a disaster. Basically, if you have bacteria that can't be treated with antibiotics, you can kiss goodbye to modern surgery. It'll be over. It'll be history. If you say you can kiss goodbye to something, you basically mean that you have to accept that something has been lost or that you're not going to get something anymore. So you might warn one of your students or one of your children, listen, if you don't start working harder, you can kiss goodbye to passing your exams. If you don't start working harder, you can kiss goodbye to that promotion at work. If you've ever shared a flat with multiple different people, you'll know that if you leave unlabelled food in the fridge, food that doesn't have your name written in large letters on it, then you can pretty much kiss that food goodbye. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button. It helps other people find out about what we do. Please share it with your friends, your students and your colleagues. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use kiss goodbye to.